Hi, Francesca with AGS here, and I'll show you a quick tip on how to view your change impacts by role according to process. Now, first I'm going into Change Impacts Assessment and Management Toolkit. You will be going into your template, but I'm in a demo account, so I'm going to go into the template with sample data where I can show you what I'm about to do. Now, first you want to choose the process you want to look at. I want to look at only the yes. Is it impacting this process? So I only want that data. So I'm going to do a sort on yes in this first column. And that is going to give me only those rows that are a technology, software, or system change. Next, I'm going to go over to my user roles. And I also only want to see the roles that are changing if that's what you want to do. If that's what you want to see is level of impact by roles that are changing, you'll sort this column next. If you want to see both yes and no, then you can just leave this unsorted or sort them individually. So now I only have the roles that are changing and only those that are a technology, software, and system change, that is yes. And now I can see my level of impact next to each one. Now, one other tip, I'll need to go back to the template to show you this because of course you might want to see these all in one view. You have, several columns that you're not looking at the moment. And so what you can do, you'll be doing this in your live template, not the sample template, is you can go into modify columns and you can temporarily hide the ones that are in your view, in your way. So let's say we're looking at only technology, software, and system changes, and then I only want to get to my roles and the severity of impact. I'm going to uncheck these temporarily until I get to my roles right here. Then what that's going to do when you have data in here is it's going to eliminate those other columns temporarily, so you'll be able to see everything in one view. You can see your system changes, the roles, the role change, and level of impact. And then when you're finished or you want to go on to the next column, you can simply come here, recheck the ones that you hid, and they'll come back. No data will be gone. The data will stay and it will come back as soon as you unhide those. So hopefully this will help give you a good tip on how you can view your role changes more easily by severity of impact and process change.